you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel. Today, I am bringing you a CVS haul. Yes, CVS haul. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just like, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. Went to CVS. And this week, I usually don't do CVS, but this week, to me, was a good moneymaker and freebie. Okay? Moneymaker and freebie to me. So, let's go ahead and get to the video. Okay? So, I did 2 transactions. One transaction was, I seen on Coupon Star, her video, some of the items that I was looking at, and I was like, I have those coupons, I have those CRTs. Let me go ahead and do this deal. I usually try to do deals on my own to bring up to purchase, but I seen that deal, so I am giving her the praise. Her name is Coupon Star, and she's the one that I got these deals from. Okay, so let's go ahead and get to the first transaction that I did. So the first transaction, this one right here is a deal that they have. Either you spend $30 and you get $10 back, or you spend $45 and get $15 back. Okay, so if you have to spend the whole 30 and the whole 45. There's no 90% rule. You cannot do it with this deal. And then also, was it the 90% rule? You can't. You have to do it all. And there's no picking up certain items and then coming back and finish out the item. Okay, finish out the deal. You have to do it all at once. Okay, so let's go ahead and let me show you what I got. The first thing I got was the Tide Pods. The Tide Pods are $5.49. This is the 16 count. All right. And there is a $1 digital coupon that is attaching to this. The next thing is the Neutrogena, and you get this from the face item. Hydro Boost. I had a digital coupon for $1. Then also I had a $5 Neutrogena CRT. This was $6.99. Okay, $6.99. So actually I got this for 99 cents. Real cheap. And that's why I said, let me do that deal. Because I had some of the CRTs that I think she had. Okay. So this Purcell was not $2. The Purcell, y'all, was $6.49. Y'all, they have raised the Purcell. The Purcell used to be the same price as the Tide. Purcell is good, but they don't raise the price. $6.49. Whoo, $1 jump. Okay, but I used a $2 off manufacturer coupon. Either you can do a paper manufacturer coupon in the I think it's in the Smart Source, I think, or Save. Look at one of those, and it hasn't expired yet, I don't think, but you can go on Coupon Time and look to see where it's at. Then also, you can print it off of coupons.com. Okay, they should have it on there for you to print also. Okay, then the last thing I got was these Neutrogena sunscreen. This one right here is, they call the Beach Defense. So this is the lotion and this is the spray. The lotion was $12.99 because they are buy one, get 40% off the next one. Okay, buy one and get 40% off the next one. And this one was, the original price was $11.99, but it's 40%, okay, off of $11.99. So I had, let's see, on that one, I had a $3 off sunscreen CRT. I had a $4 off of 2 paper manufacturer coupon. Go on coupontime.com, look for that. And then I had a digital, and both of them glitched. I mean, it glitched, okay? It did glitch for that, okay? So I rode in, let's see, I rode in $16 of my extra bucks, and I paid out of pocket. Well, I didn't pay out of pocket. I actually used my Fetch gift card. I paid, my subtotal was $4.15. You know, everybody's taxes is different. So I paid a total of $5.96. And I used that on a gift card. All right, so let me show you my receipt. There we go. It's Purcell, Tide, Neutrogena, both of those. The Neutrogena Boost Wipes. And also, I'm sorry, I got me a Arizona fruit punch. So y'all know I'm always thirsty. And that was $1. So there it is. And then there is my savings, $45.30. I told I saved 92% savings. And here is my $10. All right. Because I spent $30, spent over $30. So I got $10. So let's move over here to the next transaction. All right. So on the next transaction, let's see. These doves right here, they are 2 for $8. I had a 3 off of 2 Dove hand wash. Everybody got a $3 off of Dove. Everybody got that. And then I had $1.50 off of Dove hand wash. So I used all of that and got that for a cheap price. All right. I think I got it for 6, 7, 50 cents. 25 cents each. Yep. All right. So the next thing, let me move that over here, are these Tresemes. The Tresemes was 2 for $10. And I had a $4 off of 2. Tresemme coupon came off. And then it glitched with a $5 off of 2 digital. Okay. And then, let's see. I did have a, I forgot. I did have a CRT, but that did not come off. It didn't work. It didn't come off. I don't know why, but it didn't. But that's all right. Then the next thing, I had the Chere'er Fruities. They are 2 for $8. I had a, what was it, $3 off of 2. And it double dipped with a $3 off of 2 with the digital. All right. And then I got the Chic disposable razors. I bought 3 of them. They are spend $15 and you get $5 back. So I had 3 $4 off manufacturer coupons that came off. And I wrote in $2 off extra buck. And I was trying to use the rest of my gift card, but I don't know what happened on that. It wouldn't take. I don't know what happened. But my subtotal was $7.47 for all of this. For just this right here, these 2, and the rest of that. $7.47 was my subtotal. You know, everybody's taxes is different. So I end up paying out of my pocket, okay? The whole total was $10.11, which was fine with me. All right, so here is my receipt. Let me show you. And then there is total save, $50.44, 87 cents, 87% savings. I got my $2 back for the Tresemme and my $5 back for the Chic razors. So after everything was over, I actually paid out of pocket 47 cents for all of this because I got $7 back. That was great. So this right here is my CVS haul. If you would just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.